Okay, today we're learning skill check number 2, the omelet. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can do a traditional omelet or a French omelet. First thing we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn on our fire. Then your eggs, and you can either use a fork or a whisk. We're going to do a 2-egg omelet. So the key here is to basically break it down completely. So as you can see, if it starts to kind of lag a little, make sure you thoroughly whisk it. You're looking for a yellow omelet. So really not much streaks of white. Okay. And let's get some black pepper. Give it another mix. Alright, I got our pan on, as you can see. And you do want it hot enough so that your egg will cook and basically fry slightly. So if it's undercooked, there's that real big chance that it's going to stick. So I'm going to lower it down a little. Put your oil, preferably olive oil, and a good amount. So I would say a good solid 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure you whisk it around. Here, the first one I'm going to do is a traditional omelet. So you should hear that nice little sound of it frying. So the key here is you're going to pull in the ends, just like so. Okay, that's the key. Let them cook. As they cook, you're bringing the egg in. Okay, you guys can flip it, so by practicing, I'm going to remove it. And then you guys, like I said, you guys can flip it. As you can see there. There's the omelet one, or you could just use a spatula and do it like that. Okay. Get your plate, place it on, and you have your omelet. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is the French omelet. It's a little bit more difficult, but still applies to be the same way. So turn on your flame. Get your egg. Mix it up thoroughly. Put your fire on. Your fire can never be too hot. I mean, you can always lower it. But make sure you thoroughly mix your egg. Same thing. Here's what we're going to do now. We're going to again hit some salt, some black pepper. Again, that's not a, if you want to go without salt and pepper, you may. And again, if you want to use a whisk, use a whisk. Okay. All right, get your pan on. Nice and hot. Throw in your oil. As you can see, it's starting to, make sure you get those sides. Lower your flame, and again, this is the French omelet. So basically you're doing a scrambled egg until you got just about it completed. So then at this point, this is slightly going to be under. We're going to turn off our flame. We're going to do what we call a trifold. So you're going to go one here, just like that, and then the other way. And that's called the trifold. And then basically you're going to place it on there. It should have somewhat of a moon shape, as you can see there. So those are your two omelets. The French omelet is cooked slightly. Omelet that we do here in America, basically cooked all the way through. The French omelet is slightly under. It's got a little bit of a run in there, as you can see. But those are the two omelets that you can do. And we'll be able to do at least one practice session. All right.